This delectable paint colour is a nod to our favourite herbs and spices. This beautiful fiery hue is reminiscent of saffron, cumin and turmeric. Whichever you choose, this is the perfect warm spicy shade to paint your walls, offering an anecdote to dull rainy days. Available in a variety of finishes, including matte emulsion, eggshell and exterior masonry. Fired Earth paint is formulated in the UK with the environment in mind. We take care to choose the correct and safe materials. All our paints are water-based with minimum volatile organic compounds. They provide exceptional coverage, are practical, hard-wearing and virtually odourless. If you would like to find out more about our colour consultations, or you're in need of inspiration, pop into one of our showrooms where you can book an appointment or visit us online at firedearth.com.